Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how can you unlock Samsung phone without format or data loss if you've forgotten PIN, pattern or password. If you've forgotten the PIN, pattern or password to your Samsung phone and want to unlock it without formatting or losing data, there are a few options you could try depending on your phone settings, connected account and the tools available. Now, Samsung's own service allows you to remotely unlock your phone without swiping any data. Your Samsung phone is signed into a Samsung account. The phone has Wi-Fi or mobile data enabled, and you need to also enable Find My Mobile is enabled onto your device. Now, first thing, you want to go to Find My Device. So you could actually go ahead and open up your settings, or you could go to Find My Device from the other device as well. So on the search box, I'm going to type in Find My Device. And when you have actually enabled it, so then you want to sign in with your Samsung account. Select your locked device from the list. Now click Unlock on the right panel and enter your Samsung account password again to confirm it. So once you actually done it, so your phone will be unlocked remotely. However, you could also use smart lock, that is, if you have a smart lock enabled on your phone, unlock automatically in trusted situation. Trusted location, example home, connected device, example Bluetooth, watch or car, trusted face voice recognition, older models if that is, and that should be able to help you out. Or you could also use ADB method, advanced for developers. Only works if USB debugging is enabled and the device is previously authorized onto your computer. This method can bypass a lock screen using ADB, Android debugging bridge. So these are some of the ways or steps to fix it or unlock Samsung phone. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.